Hey everybody, my name is Jordan. I'm Quality Assurance and Customer Experience Manager at the Glimpse Group.
Hi, my name is Woodrow. I'm a software developer. Very excited to be showing you guys the Pico 3 today. Got this nice cover on the outside. Here, you want to take a look?
Perfect.
Pretty cool. Sleek aesthetic. Very shiny. I like it. What I've heard so far, and I'm looking to see here, is that the headset itself is more balanced. I think it's probably about the same weight as what you'd get with a Quest 2, but they have a more structured head strap, and they have this nice kind of block at the back. They have an actual vent here, right? So maybe you could argue, oh, this detracts from my visual experience of how beautiful my headset is, but you get a little bit of cooling. I'm almost feeling a kind of slight warping on the edges of the screen, despite the center being super sharp, and also the tracking being pretty much spot on. I haven't noticed any problems. I didn't hear any of the whirring or the fan sound that the Pico 2.
I actually hear it right now.
Oh, you do hear
it?
it?
Very lightly though.
How are you feeling about the image quality of the headset as a whole?
Looks great. I know it updates at up to like 90 gigahertz per second, so it's pretty nice.
If you look right here, these are the speakers for the headset. With anything, I think there are pros and cons to this solution. I think for a standalone headset and for normal consumer use, it's pretty amazing because you kind of can't tell where the audio is coming from. It just feels like it's magically there. And you also don't have to worry about fiddling with earbuds and stuff. But from an enthusiast perspective, you know, you lose a little bit of the audio quality that you'd get from like really solid earbuds. But it does look like there's a aux cable here if you want to plug in some earbuds. I guess my overall impression, very interesting. I think it's a huge step up from the Pico Neo 2, which it had some ergonomic things and also the just controller design was not exactly intuitive. I think the image, especially in the center, looks super sharp. There's a bit of blurring and warping on the edges, but that's kind of my only complaint about the visual presentation.
This is definitely a more promising headset. We have a couple clients who only use Pico at the moment, so they'll be really happy with this update.
Yeah, that's first impressions, but I'm sure we'll have many more coming in the future.